Okay. You see that? Oh, that's Mary and the Little Lamb. Winston, the bowling gold. Ranelyn, the cute. And Spikers, I can see your face. Say hi. Okay. And tonight, you're going to perform according to him, it's a billiard exhibition. Oh, we're gonna watch him. Okay? You can start now, Spikers, the Piker from Iligan City. Okay? Let's start the ball rolling. Oh my gulay. Okay, katula kayo. 1. Yeah! Ah, we seen that. Okay, guys.